Week 3, Patrick's Hero. Question 1. Patrick's mother runs to the lake to A. Go for a swim. B. See if Buffy is causing problems. C. Make sure Patrick is all right. D. Watch Buffy fetch a stick. Question 2. Who is the hero in this story? A. Patrick's mother. B. Uncle Jack. C. Patrick's father. D. Buffy. Question 3. Which word means about the same as hesitant in paragraph 7? A. Excited. B. Careless. C. Brave. D. Unsure. Number 4. Read the sentence below from paragraph 10. She grabbed Patrick's shirt and began to swim, pulling him toward the shore. How does Patrick most likely feel at this moment? A. Amused by the dog's actions. B. Thankful that the dog is there. C. Sad that he isn't able to play. D. Worried that his shirt may be torn. Question 5. Why is Patrick unable to move in the water? A. He is too cold. B. His parents are watching. C. He is too tired. D. His knees are shaking. Question 6. Paragraphs 6 through 8 are mostly about A. Why Patrick is not a good swimmer. B. What Patrick and Buffy do together. C. How often Patrick visits the cabin. D. Where Patrick is allowed to go in the water. Question 7. How does Patrick's mother change by the end of the story? A. She is upset that the family is at the cabin. B. She is happy that the family's taking care of Buffy. C. She is angry that Patrick's clothes are wet. D. She is curious about why the lake is dangerous. 8. The author wrote this story probably to A. Show the reader how to care for a dog. B. Explain games dogs play in water. C. Teach the reader to be brave in the water. D. To tell about how a dog saves a boy. Question 9. In paragraph 8, the word retrieved means A. Fell apart. B. Brought back. C. Reminded again. D. Made better. Question 10. Patrick feels relieved in paragraph 11 because he A. Can give Buffy back to his uncle. B. Is able to splash in the water. C. Knows he is no longer in danger. D. Can play with Buffy again. 11. At the end of the story, Patrick is most likely A. Happy that his mother is not angry with him. B. Surprised that he is not a good swimmer. C. Hopeful that Jack will return soon. D. Relaxed by the cool water in the lake. Question 12. Which sentence from the story shows why Patrick's parents don't want a pet? A. He had forgotten about Buffy. B. His family was busy and didn't think they could care for an animal. C. Uncle Jack would be working in another country for 6 months and couldn't take Buffy with him. D. Patrick and Buffy spent the morning running and playing. Please make sure you have shown all of your work, proved all of your answers,